Mindy with This Fairy Tale Life, and I'm here in Hollywood at the world premiere for Toy Story 4. So excited to be here. I can't wait to go in and see who's on the red carpet. We just got out of the movie. It was so cute, so good, and now we're on our way to the after party. This is Mindy with This Fairy Tale Life signing off. What an amazing night. Thank you so much to Disney for inviting me to this premiere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.